Hey guys, it's Simon from Verge, and we're here at the European premiere for Disney's Christopher Robin. What can we expect from the film?
The film is about laughter, having joy, having fun, but also discovering your inner child. And ultimately, at the end, you want to just spend more time with the people you love.
You can expect to laugh and to cry and hopefully feel like you've been reminded of important things.
Welcome to the premiere. This must be so exciting.
Yeah, I did the LA one about a week ago, but this is also really exciting to be here in London.
The work of A.A. Milne, and in
Yeah.
particular Winnie the Pooh, has touched millions of people around the world.
Yeah.
How does it feel to be contributing to that legacy?
It's a tremendous responsibility, and I hope that we can live up to that. I think that we try to be extremely loyal to who these characters are, to their voices, to their personalities, and what they represent.
I feel very blessed, that I was able to make this movie, and I feel, that I want to honor the Pooh, and I wanted to make sure that this Pooh with such a big heart is honored and beloved worldwide, and I hope people will enjoy the movie and will love Pooh as much as I do.
Is Piglet your favourite character from Winnie the Pooh?
I couldn't say one specific one, but a piglet is probably one of my favourites.
Between you and me, it's Piglet, isn't it?
Yeah.
What was it like working with such an amazing cast of Ewan and Hayley and everyone else?
It was almost like one big family working on Christopher Robin. Like everyone was just worked, they bonded really well, and it was just really a special experience I won't forget.
Oh, he's a sweet fellow. He really reminds me of someone. Oh, oh yes, Christopher Robin.